Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room here at the ShadowTrader.net Live Trading Suite. And in this video, I want to do a quick recap on two stocks that I recently did videos on. One is Estee Lauder and the other is Electronic Arts. So let's get right into it real quick. Keep it short and sweet. The reason for the trade, Estee Lauder had gap down after earnings, and it was basically gap down, wait 3 days. I was looking for this price here, 62.30. That was obviously the 52-week low, but then the stock on Friday started to make a move back to the upside on the 7th, and that's when I jumped in. And of course, if you were here in the room, you would have got that trade, but I bought the first piece at 65.02 right here, again on February 7th. I also sold a put. I sold a 62 put on Friday, last Friday, for this Friday, the 14th, and collected 50 cents for it. So again, I sold the 62 put because I was willing to buy more stock if the stock did go down, because again, this was Friday, and obviously I had no idea what was going to happen on Monday. But lo and behold, the stock ripped Monday, ripped Tuesday, and there's a little bit of a pullback today, of course. That's because of the the CPI print where there was a huge flush. Also, Estee Lauder itself just ripped 10% in 3 trading days. So the fact that there's a little bit of a pullback here does not surprise or bother me at all. But not only that, yesterday when the stock was up over $70, I sold also a 72 call. And I sold the 72 call for this Friday for 46 cents. All right, because when I first bought the stock at 65.02, by the way, that was the entry, I immediately sold the 62 put for 50 cents, again for the 14th expiry. I did that last Friday the 7th. And then yesterday when the stock cleared 70 bucks, I sold a 72 call for 46 cents. All right, so obviously if the stock went lower, I'd be willing to buy more because it was great trade location. And if it went up and lost the stock over 72, it's not a bad thing. From 65.02, I'm sorry, 65.02 was the first piece that I bought it in the room. So no matter what, they can't hit me on the call side and the put side, right? So no matter what happens, I'm going to keep this premium. I'll also keep this premium. And of course, if the stock stays between those two prices, they're not going to call it away from me at 72, and yet I won't have to buy more stock at 62 either. But by the way, I wouldn't mind buying more stock at 62 even if it went down there, but so far, so good. Again, even though there's a little bit of a pullback today, big deal. The other thing that I really, 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 really love about this setup is this. Yesterday, and I pointed it out to everybody in the room, but on February 10th, I'm sorry, 2 days ago, excuse me. Obviously, the 10th was on Monday. And basically, I told everybody in the room that I had, done some digging around, and a director and CFO bought almost $6 million worth of stock. And then yesterday, another director bought about $3 million worth of stock. So when you think about what's going on, I'm pretty pumped for this trade because, look, insiders can sell their stock for any number of reasons. Maybe it's a pre-planned sale. Maybe they have to pay taxes. Maybe they're getting divorced and they need money, whatever, right? But when they're buying their own stock near 52-week lows, they're not buying it because they think the stock is going down. They're buying it at 52-week lows because they think the stock is going back up. And who knows better than insiders at a particular firm? So this thing looks great. Next target is around 73. So I don't mean it's going to get there today, tomorrow, but 73. And then, of course, a gap fill over 77 up to 82. That's where we're looking to hold Estee Lauder. And then, of course, real quick, Electronic Arts, right? We gave everybody the trade in the room back here on the 29th. Right, this was another gap down, obviously gigantic gap lower. I wanted to buy the stock a little bit lower. I was hoping it was going to get to that 110 to 109, 108 area. Reason being is when you look at a longer term chart, I really was hoping and thought that it might get down to this area here. Right? Now, obviously, it didn't. So what made me get back in? Or what made me get in early? Well, it's really simple. When I saw the stock, gap down after earnings, day 1, day 2, day 3, on day 4, when the stock was not making a lower low, that's when I pulled the trigger. That's when I bought the stock right here on January 29th. The first trade was 116.90. Then we had a nice little gap up. Then after earnings, it gapped up again. So this was another stock that we gave to you folks in the Shadow Trader short videos. But those who were in the room, obviously, got the trades literally as they were happening. So anyway, that's a quick update on Electronic Arts and also Estee Lauder. And by the way, EA, my next target is up here around the 142, 143 area, which is a full gap fill from here. All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, I hope it helps. Have a great one, and hope to see you in the room. Peace. Hey everybody, this is Brad Agunis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other Shadow Trader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.